What's the biggest learning you've learned from or continue to learn from when it comes to reliability? What are some of the cardinal sins or cardinal rules?
You have to test the error path just as much as you test the positive path, the functioning path. It's always an edge case in the error handling where you mess things up. It's so easy to write code that, you know, when it's working correctly, it works correctly. That's the easiest code to write. What
Right.
happens if this line fails? What happens if that line fails? What happens if the machinery fails? What if the connection fails? Handling all those error conditions. So, and the best way to do that is to just assume anything can error anytime. And that sounds like a terrible way to program, but programming systems like Erlang have showed us the correct way to do that. And so I fell in love with isolated processes that were expected to fail, and you just handle those failure conditions. Every message pass, every function call can fail, and you better have a good smart plan for how to handle that. So to answer your question in general, the answer is assume everything can fail and make sure that,
Okay.
just in my own code, I'll just put random throw exception here just to see what happens.
Like while you're working, you're not
Hmm.
just to see what happens. It's like your own little chaos monkey, but inside
Yeah,
your own local code base. That's a cool idea.
especially if you're trying to solve a hard problem that you really don't know how to work on. It's much more fun to pop up an error dialog. You're like, oh, that took down the whole process. I wasn't expecting that.